Well, good morning, Eisenhower Eagles. Today is Tuesday, October 8th, cycle day 10. That means you will have guidance today. Let's go ahead and stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, boys and girls, you may be seated for lunch today. We have a crispy chicken sandwich is A. Cheese omelet and pancakes with syrup is B. And waffle kids bowl is C. Your sides are baked cinnamon raisin apples. Tomorrow, Wednesday, is Chicken Nugget Wednesday. Chicken nuggets with a dinner roll is A. Tater tot casserole with a dinner roll is B. And sun butter and jelly sandwich is C. Your sides are roasted green beans. And then the salad bar option for both. All right. Birthdays. Uh-oh. We have a birthday. Gemma, happy birthday. Boys and girls, when you see Gemma, tell her happy birthday. Gemma, when you hear this, come on down to the office for your birthday surprise. Happy birthday, Gemma. Okay. Let's see here. Any other birthdays? Nope, no other birthdays. Okay. So I do have another special announcement, though. So here at Eisenhower, I've been working on some things for you guys, and I told you I found the buckets, right? So I changed my mind, and I chose something else instead of these buckets because they took up a little bit too much space. They're a little bit too big for how many options we're having. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what we have done. So in the hallway for now, we have 3 buckets. Okay. Right now we have 3 buckets. Right here. See down there? Okay. We have 3 buckets down there under the table at the front office. Okay. Right behind me. You can see them. All right. And what they are, this one says lunch with Mrs. Gibbons or Mr. LaChapelle. We have make slime with Mrs. Gibbons. And then we have extra recess. Okay. Now, the lunch with Mrs. Gibbons or Miss LaChapelle, there's going to be 2 buckets. One for kindergarten, 1st and 2nd grade, and one for 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade. And then also the extra recess, same thing. One for kindergarten, 1st and 2nd grade, and one for 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade. Now, here's the deal. As you can see, people have begun to put Eagle tickets in there. See the Eagle tickets? All right. So they are in there already. When you earn an Eagle ticket, this is what you get to do. Okay. You can either save them up to turn them all in for your prizes in your class, whether it's the principal's chair, whether it's doing announcements, whether it's something from their store, one of those things. Or you can take a chance. Now what's going to happen is if you take a chance and put it in one of these jars or these buckets up here, every end of the quarter, Mrs. Knott or Miss Alexis and Miss LaChapelle are going to choose out of these jars and pull a card out, and it'll have a name on it. And if that one is you, and it has a name on it on the back, I'm not going to show it because I'm going to put it back in there. Okay. And you get pulled, then that's what you get. So that one would have been lunch with Mrs. Gibbons or Mr. LaChapelle. All right. And we're going to pull a few out of there. So 6 or 7 out of that one. Okay. But not everybody is going to get pulled out of there. So you're taking a chance. If you put it in the jar, it doesn't mean you automatically win that. You're giving yourself a chance for yours to get pulled out. Okay? So just because you put it in there doesn't mean you get that. It doesn't mean you automatically just get lunch with Mrs. Gibbons or you get to make slime with Mrs. Gibbons, just like that, because you put it in there. Okay? There's a chance that your name will get pulled out of there. All right? It is not a guarantee. Okay? So I don't want anybody getting upset when we pull names and if your name does not get pulled out of there. All right? So just remember that when you start getting your Eagle tickets. Some people are going to choose to keep them and turn them in for your snack and party for your class, okay? Or for a hat, to wear a hat in class. Or for pajama day in class. And some people don't, they really, really want to try to win the slime making with Mrs. Gibbons, or the extra recess time, or the lunch with Mrs. Gibbons or Mr. LaChapelle. Okay? It's up to you. Now, once you turn them into those jars, we will not give them back for you to turn in for your prizes in your class. Okay? That's not how it works. Once they go in the jars, they stay there. Okay? You don't change your mind. We're not going to go searching through those jars to try to find your card. All right? Once you choose that, that's your choice. Okay? All right. We'll see what we start getting. Okay? All right. All right. Let's see here. Let's go over restroom expectations. In the restroom, your voice level is 0. No talking. Okay? Spread kindness. Take turns and wait patiently. Keep hands and body to yourself. Obey the safety rules. Use all equipment appropriately and wash your hands, the 1, 20, and 2 rule. 1 squirt of soap, 20 seconds of water, 2 paper towels at the most. Act responsibly. Flush when you are done and shut off water faucets. Respect self, others, and property. Respect everyone's privacy and dispose of the trash properly. And if you see trash on the ground, use your paper towel as kind of a glove and pick up some on the floor if you find any. But we shouldn't find any on the floor because everybody should be putting their trash in the trash can. You guys have been doing a really, really good job at that. So that's just a nice little refresher to keep reminding you. Okay? All right. This week, accepting no for an answer. Look at the person. Say, okay. Stay calm, and then if you disagree, ask later. All right, one more time. Look at the person, say, okay. Stay calm, and then if you disagree, ask later. Okay? All right, boys and girls, that's all we're going to have for today. I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Remember, if you put it in the jar or the bucket, you're taking a chance. It doesn't mean you automatically get it. Okay, and then we're going to get a table set up front because we're still waiting for 2 more jars to be put out. There's just not enough room on that table to have it right now. So you'll see. All right. So remember, it's a chance. All right. Boys and girls, have a great day. Hope everybody has a wonderful day. All right. I will see you guys throughout the halls. Remember, if you want to be an Eisenhower Eagle, you have to work hard. You have to be kind. Then we can soar like eagles. All right. I will see everybody later. Have a great day. Bye.